What are you doing?
Who's that? That Aunt Julie.
What are you doing with the ball?
Is that Uncle Doug?
Boy.
Aunt Rhonda and Jacob, you gotta know all the names.
He's like, yeah, right, okay. I just got off an airplane. People crazy.
Yeah.
I was gonna say, he's so good for not having
He's very good.
Thomas,
no idea what's
where are
going
you
on.
at? Where are you at?
He was so much fun.
Where are you at, Thomas? Hey, Thomas, where are you at? Huh?
He's like, wait a minute, there's a little girl around here. That's me, that's right.
Oh, boy to share, buddy. Mia's got some toys, too. Let's see how far she hits the ball. Okay, let's see how far. You gotta cheer up. You gotta say, come on, Mia, good job. You gotta say, good job, Mia, when she hits it, okay? Hit the white part. Yeah. Hit the ball.
Good job, Mia.
Yay, let's cheer for Mia. Good job, Mia. Hey, can Thomas have a turn? Okay. Oh, okay. You have a turn. You want a turn? Can you give him the bat nicely? Tell her thank you.
You can walk around. Thanks anyway.
Thanks, but no thanks. Thank you, sweetie. Okay, back up here, kiddo. Me, come here. Okay, buddy, go. 1, 2, 3.
Ooh, Thomas.
Wow.
Good hit. Let's don't hit it towards the hot rod, okay?